Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Wishful Account, chapter 20. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Chui. When she went out, she can see that this person was spying on them. It seems that the exhibitor, he was the one who was sent by that old man who's been tricking her. Well, since the exhibitor has been caught, well, what will Chui's gonna do to him? Well, is she going to punish him or she's going to fire him in the company? Well, Chui said that stuff. Now, she really wanted to dock this person. Well, can you really tell her about who is the person who's sending her? Now, Chui said to him, come with me. This is really getting serious, right? Chewie, at this moment, it seems that she was plotting something. Now, it's really shaking. For the man, of course, he will really get afraid of this. Well, maybe he got really fired. But now, the man said, General, well, since he was already caught, of course, he really can deny it. At this moment, what will Chewie gonna do to him? I heard that the girl you like works in the earlier stage of Washington Chuang. Is that the one you were just now? The man said, finally, he really won't deny it. But Julius said, did you get the result? Well, it seems that the man, he was really get puzzled by this. What will Chui trying to ask? When did you find out? Well, Warren Ching wanted to unite Hessington and his mother. You were the first one to say this. As secretary, you're so well informed. So, you've been suspicious of me since then. Shan, I'm sorry. I shouldn't have sold out the company. It would be quite risky. Hire only new employees for business. In Sicheng, you can go there and be administrative manager and guard the rear for everyone. Well, Chui, it seems that he really wanted to appoint him to be a manager in Shishing branch. I was transferred from the group to the branch company to work in logistic. Mr. Shan was throwing me out in disguise, but I didn't have a face to stay in the company. The man said to her, Miss Shan, you don't need to. I'll hand in my resignation next week. What? What do you want to run away after you got cheated? Well, although you didn't cause any losses to the group, you did cause a lot of trouble. Can you make up for it by simply resignating? If I tell you to go to Shishing, just go. Exhibition General, since you are still willing to give me a chance, Miss Shan, I will go to the Shishing and work hard for you. If I can do a good job, I will never return to the group. Now, it seems that Chui, it seems that she was approving this, but for the man, he still thinks that it was really unacceptable to place her and also to trust her again. But go fuck and head over your work and set her Shishing tomorrow to supervise for me. Now the man is been thankful to her. Yes, thank you, Miss Shan. Then I'll take my leave now. You can close the door. After the commotion, well, finally, the man, he was leaving, and only the three of them left. Is this something I can listen to? Well, why can you listen to this? It's not a secret. Now, by the way, don't you have a shoot? A home life today. I just remembered that. You know, what day is the day? Now, she kept asking her. Well, for Chui, it seems that she only know the date. It's August 17th. Well, what is the thing that they're going to celebrate on August 17th? Oh, yes, it's the 17th, so your shooting is over. Chui said to her. Well, it makes sense. I've been busy at work these past 2 days that I was so confused that I don't know what time is it, and I couldn't react to many things. You're a big man. Don't remember the little man's mistake. Okay. I haven't said anything yet. You're too outspoken. You say everything. I'm afraid that you'll be unhappy, Chui said to her. Now, it really makes sense. Even the secretary, look at him. It seems to be doubting. Is still the mission, I know. Well, he got really worried about Miss Shan's action. I'm not unhappy, it's just that you finish your work and I just have some free time and I have to start recording a new variety show. On the contrary, there's too much investment. Well, the program crew has so much money that they don't know where to spend it on. Now, it really makes sense. It seems that they're really exhausting. Didn't Meng Shu offer a very high price? What kind of investor is it wealthy? Chui, she was asking herself, but her secretary said, Miss Shan, you are the wealthy person that you're talking about. What? It was you who asked me to invest for the Sunshine Holdings the last time. Well, she really forgotten about this. Variety show helped me to invest one or three in the name of Shang Technology. I would like to be the first sponsor. Well, it seems that she was really forgotten about this. How much money did you transfer? Can Meng Shu Noel become a permanent resident? Now, a poor boy. Look at him. She really got vanished. Well, for now. So, you're the investor. Thank you so much. The budget should have been adjusted when the project was approved. It's too late to regret it now. Now, she smiles. Why do you think a little travel, more investment, and permanent guests should be a good thing? Chui said to her, but it seems that it was not really the problem. Well, what do you think? Why suddenly she seems to be exhausted? And also, it seems that she really want to tell her something. Could it be that it's very good, but the program team stipulates that there must be one permanent guest and one flying guest as a partner. Chui said, can you still find someone with the right schedule? No, finish it with the good intentions or something bad happened. Well, what do you think? What Chui is thinking right now? It seems that she got really interested about this. Wait, your show doesn't say that the guests must be celebrities. No, the first episodes, someone brought friends from the outside the circle. Well, what is she going to do? Okay then, what do you think about me being your partner? You've been so busy lately. Do you have time to travel? No, this sissy, Chui said to her. It seems that Chui, she was really positive about this. Well, what do you think? Can she really make it? Well, can she really perform well? Well, this is really intriguing. But right now, first secretary, I've been busy for so long. It's time for me for a break, right, Shalma? Now, it really makes sense. The first secretary will put all the work on him. Well, small theater, since the two of them are really getting closer. This delicious. This delicious. Well, all you can do is eat. Well, the two of them is really caring about each other. RST, thank you for joining membership today. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is only open for those who want to support. You can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me by Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye.